me. Stay open-minded. Okay. So stay open-minded and stay engaged. Okay. And more importantly, just have fun and enjoy the whole webinar. Yeah? Deal? Shall we go ahead? Okay. So before I put the seeds, in your mind, I would really want you all to do again a breath work, which is to prepare the soil. So how many of you have done planting at home or somewhere? You have done, some planting, okay, some gardening you have done. So whenever you plant a seed, whenever you plant even a simple bush, okay, what you do? You prepare the soil. Isn't it like that? When you prepare the soil, then you put the seed into it and then you nurture. And that's from there, the seed, from that seed, the plant starts growing. Yeah, true. It's the same way we are going to do it over here. Okay. So I'm going to help you prepare the soil once again. Yes. So we are just going to take 5 breaths. Okay. Deep breaths. Just inhale and exhale. Yeah. So just sit up straight and close your eyes. Okay. So inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now just repeat one affirmation, okay, after me. You can open your eyes. I'm here for myself. Yes, I want all of you to do this lip sync, to say it out loud. Let the universe hear this out. It is not for others. Trust me, it is never about others. It's about me first. This is again a very powerful thing that you can take from this webinar, that whenever you start doing anything, okay, you just say out loud to your own self, I am here for myself. I am here to grow. I am here to change. Yes. I can see Tanvi, I can see Sultana saying, I can see the lip sync happening. Okay. Amazing. Augustine also is doing that. That's really amazing. Did you feel the difference again? Yeah. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Okay. So first, let's understand that why it is important, okay? Why this law of attraction, why this webinar is happening today. So how many of you have heard this, that learning is one part of it, but doing is another part? So knowledge is not the power. Applied knowledge is the power, isn't it? In this webinar, we are going to have the clarity, you're going to have the clarity on the concept law of attraction and its application in real life. Because it's very important how to apply this. Okay, that's really important. Okay. The second thing is we need to identify and overcome your limiting beliefs. That is really, really, really important. Okay. The third one is we are going to learn simple step-by-step practical techniques. And the last one, it is going to be a gateway, okay, to create your abundant and successful life. Yes? Okay. So shall we start? But before that, I just decided why not to, it's a Christmas season. So why not I also become Santa for all those people who are going to attend my webinar. So everyone who is here, I have come up with something very, 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 very special to you all. Okay. So that's a free gift. What I thought that out of my experience, out of whatever I have learned and applied in my life, I have come up with these two free gifts for all of you. Okay. So the first one is I will be revealing the affirmations for growth. Now, growth, I'm talking about in every sense. I'm talking about health, career, money, and relationship. If you see in life, there are four aspects which has to go hand in hand. If we don't work on all these four areas of our life is not going to have a complete circle, isn't it? एक चीज के पीछे भागते भागते कई बार बाकी तीन भूल जाते हैं, बाकी दो भूल जाते हैं. We need not to do that. We need to have that holistic growth. Okay. So by keeping this in mind, I've come up with this affirmations for growth, holistic affirmations for growth. Okay. The second gift is the manifestation journal template. Now, a lot of templates are available out there, but this is again coming from my experience, okay, coming from whatever I learned and applied, and I changed few formulas for myself, and I felt that yes, this is something which is very simple to do, okay. So these two gifts I have drafted out of my experience for you all guys. But how to gather this gift, how to take take these gifts back home, stay with me till end. I will reveal it in the end. Yeah. Okay. Now, so what are the challenges you're going through? Okay. What are those challenges? So the first challenge, how many of you feel that you're struggling to manifest your goals consistently? How many of you feel that you're overwhelmed by your negative thoughts or self doubt? So, if you resonate with any one or two or three or all, just type in the comment chat on the in the chat box, because I want you all to actually let me know that with all with what all you resonate. Okay, is it something that you lack the clarity about your desires? Is it something that you have deep seated limited beliefs about self worth and abundance? Is it something that there's a fear of failure or judgment? Is it something that you feel that, oh, I have limited time, I have limited energy? Is it that all about scarcity mindset, about money, opportunities, or maybe relationships? Okay, right? That whatever relationships I build, it don't last, right? Okay. Now, no proper roadmap or clear or simple, processes to manifest abundance and success. So don't worry, guys. I can feel you all where you are, because I had also felt the same way. I was also at one point in time, I was also at that place. Okay. And that was the reason I found out, okay, that no, I really want to come out of this. Okay. But before I discuss, do I have the permission to share about myself? Do I have the permission that, I can share about my background so that you all can understand from where I'm coming and why I'm here today? Okay. So, okay. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Sure, sure, sure. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I would say thank you for allowing me, for giving me a chance to share about me. So, about me, I will just talk about my background first. Okay, so I was born and brought up in a very small city in Haryana called Yamunanagar. Okay, so I come from a very humble background, a very middle class family I come from. And my father was a banker. My father was into Punjab and Sindh Bank. एंड ही वॉज लाइक मेरी फैमिली में एक ही बात होती थी कि बेटा अच्छे से पढ़ लिख जाओ, अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाएंगे और अच्छी अच्छी नौकरी लग जाएगी और लाइफ एकदम सेट हो जाएगी. एंड आई थिंक दैट वॉज द माइंड सेट विच आई वॉज grown up with. Okay. But my entire extended family used to say this कि इसने पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाएगी ये, because I was a very average student in the school. Maybe after 12th or maybe after college. Okay. Just इसके लिए अच्छा सा कोई रिश्ता ढूंढो और इसकी शादी करवा दो. That's how my relatives used to say. Okay. But somewhere deep down, and my parents knew this, that I wanted to grow in my life. I was looking out for the, you know, for the solutions to grow out of that mediocrity. I was truly, looking forward. Okay. And that's where my father gave me two options, that either you can become a chartered accountant or you can become a doctor. Okay. So I used to love numbers, and that's the reason I picked up chartered accountancy. But I tell you, when I took the decision to become a CA, so one of my father's friends was there. So uncle told me, बेटा सीए में ना बहुत पैसा है, सीए की एक साइन की ना बहुत वैल्यू होती है, एक बार एक साइन हो जाएगा तो बहुत पैसा बनाएगी तू. So that was the time when I just took the decision that I am a CA actually. Okay. And by God's grace, you know, I just started studying. I was like, ठक 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 करके CA हो गया एक गो में. Then when it came to my career, I got recruited with Reliance. Then I moved to one of the sister concerns of PwC. Okay, then I moved to Audi. I became the treasury head over there. So if you truly ask me, my career was also amazing. Okay, if I talk about that, I wanted to get into entrepreneurial journey, I found the opportunity and I got into that. So I was a very happy go lucky girl. But then what happened? Okay, I tell you, after I started my own venture, okay, after seeing a very amazing success over there, okay, it was a downward spiral which started. Okay, and my downfall didn't happen in one day or in one night or in 1 month. No, it happened over a period of 2.5 years. It took me actually 2.5 years to understand this. Okay, maybe from like making money from 4 or 5 lakhs a month, I dropped down to not even 10,000 rupees a month. So you can understand what kind of challenges I was. I got cheated in my relationship. Okay. It was again that maybe I'm not good enough. That thought creeped in, that no, I'm not good enough. Maybe I'm not that fulfilling. Maybe I'm not that, I, I am not that good. Okay. I was somebody who was cheated in my business. Okay. And everything started falling apart. Okay. And when I hit the rock bottom, I tell you one instance. When my son was born, after some time, I had to buy milk for him, and I didn't have the money even to buy the milk. Okay, and that was the time I just shook myself that Neha, it's done. It's done forever. I don't want to stay in this pit. I don't want to stay over here. I really want to get out of this whole shit. Okay, and that was the time, I was introduced to this course. That was the time I was looking out for the answers, and God sent me, all those mentors, all those people in my life who actually helped me out to get out of here. Okay. So, how many of you can relate to my story? I don't know. Okay. But how many of you can relate to it? Yeah. Okay. So, let's jump upon the topic. But first of all, I would really want to share my mission statement. Okay. So our mission, as in Team in Manifestations mission is to help 1 million working professionals in the next 5 years to unlock their true potential, overcome self-doubt, and manifest successful and abundant life through my simple step-by-step processes, through the practices of law of attraction techniques and mindfulness. Yes? Okay. Thank you so much for the heart, Tanvi. I can only see 5 people, so that's the reason those people are more interactive. Okay, let me go to the second screen. Thank you so much, Santosh. Thank you so much for all your hearts. Okay, so now I want you all to understand, and thank you so much, Sultana. Okay, I want you to understand, because अगर कोई चीज को हम उसकी ग्रिप अगर हमको चाहिए, अगर उसको हम अच्छे से समझ जाएंगे, ओके, उसकी डेफिनेशन हम अच्छे से समझ जाएंगे, तो हमारे पास कैसी भी सिचुएशन आए, वो हम उसको अप्लाई कर ही लेंगे. डू यू थिंक सो? यस. सो लॉ से आप क्या समझते हो? ओके, लॉ मीन्स व्हाट? Law is all about rules, isn't it? There are certain rules which we need to follow, okay, and the जो भी उसके results आएंगे फिर वो आएंगे. Yeah, that is what a law is. Now let's understand what is this law of attraction. Now law of attraction is a simple universal principle. Okay, इसकी simple जो simplest definition जो मुझे समझ में आई वो ये समझ में आई that it states that you attract into your life what you focus on, whether it is positive or negative. Yeah, it's a very simple thing to understand. Okay, now, okay, let me help you understand it in a better way with the help of an example, with the help of another law's example. Okay, how many of you have heard of law of gravity? लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी क्या बोलता है कि जो भी चीज ऊपर जाएगी वो नीचे आएगी ही आएगी. दैट्स व्हाट इज अ लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी. या ओके, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग. नाउ लेट्स assume that we all are sitting on third floor. Okay, now tell me one thing, is law of gravity not working? हम नीचे तो नहीं गिर रहे हैं, but does it mean that law of gravity is not working? It is working, isn't it? But हम नीचे क्यों नहीं गिर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमने उस लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी में एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगा दी. क्या रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगा दी? हमने पिलर्स खड़े करे और फ्लोर बना दिया एक सीमेंटेड. अब जब वो फ्लोर जो है वो उस लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी में एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन लग गई. yes, that how the law of gravity has stopped working for us. But does it mean that it is not working for others? Yes. Does it mean that if we go out it will not work? Of course it will work. Are you understanding my point? It's the same way. The law of attraction, okay, is working every time and for everyone. Okay, जिसके लिए नहीं काम करता है बेसिकली उसने अपनी किसी एक चीज में इस जो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन का बेसिक रूल है उसमें कोई अड़चन लगा दी, उसमें कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगा दी. ओके, then only the law of attraction will not work for you. Yeah? Is it a bulb on movement for anyone over here? If it is, then press LB. Yes. Okay. Okay. Santosh is saying, Jaya Chandra is saying, Megha is saying, Rupesh is saying, okay, okay. Many of you are saying LB. Okay. Now we need to understand the simple, the underlying fact about this. कि restriction कहाँ लगेगी? Okay. So how many of you have heard of this statement where your focus goes, energy flows? How many of you have heard of this? Okay. Now what is this focus? What is this energy? Energy कहाँ से emit होती है? Okay, let's understand that first. Okay. Now understand that we all are energy beings. I don't call myself or I don't call anybody as human beings made of flesh, blood. No, we all are energy. We all are made of energy. Yeah. Okay. अब ये एनर्जी कहाँ से एमिट होती है हमारे यहाँ पे? सिंपल सी बात है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव हर्ड दिस? थॉट्स बिकम रियलिटी. Yes? Okay. So I have come up with a very simple formula. Okay. You will find that I have come up with my own formulas, very simple formulas where I wanted to understand. That's the reason. And I have applied this in my life. Okay. There's a very simple formula which I have come up. So thoughts plus emotions plus beliefs is equal to energy, is equal to vibrational energy. How many of you understand this? Thoughts plus emotions plus beliefs is equal to vibrational energy. Now understand, okay? इन तीनों में से अगर एक भी चीज गायब होगी, एक भी चीज मिसिंग होगी, will you vibrate at the frequency for the things what you truly want to attract in your life? No, not at all. Now, how I understood, okay? My thought was that I want to grow in my life. I want to make more money. Okay. I want to be a high income woman. Okay. My emotions were also going under it. Okay. That yes, woohoo, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Okay. But deep down, I realized that there was a belief which was instilled in my childhood. Okay. I tell you about this. I have heard saying my parents so many times or in my family so many times. उसने इतनी तरक्की की, इतना पैसा बनाया, बट मालूम नहीं अचानक से उसको क्या हो गया कि उसने सारा पैसा खो दिया. Are you understanding my point? That was a deep rooted belief inside me. And that's what I believe that yes, whatever success I had achieved, I will lose it one day, and I was not aware of that thought. But when I worked upon my own self and I got introduced to this, I understood that yes, that's where I had a spiral downward. Are you understanding my point? Am I making sense to you all? Yeah. Okay. So now, are you clear with this one simple formula? Yes. This is a very powerful formula. Trust me on this. Whatever you're gonna manifest, just apply this formula in your own life. Okay? Yeah. Thoughts plus emotions plus beliefs is equal to vibrational energy. It is just like tuning into, radio channels. एक बात बताइए, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं 104.8 पे एक बहुत अच्छा सा गाना आ रहा है, ओके, एंड आई वांट यू टू हियर दैट सॉन्ग, and you tune into some other frequency, will you be able to hear that song? No, not at all. Are you understanding my point? So if I want the same result, I need to tune in into the same frequency, into the same energy. And for that energy to emit, I need to have my thoughts, emotions, and beliefs in place. Yeah? Making sense? Okay, so is it clear till now? Shall we go ahead? Okay. So that's where positive energy attracts positive results, while negative energy attracts challenges. Okay. And so at times we don't understand this. Okay. Yes. Now there's one more concept what I understood from this energy level. How many of you have heard that you are in the universe? No, that's not true. You're not in the universe. You are the universe. एक बात बताइए, जिस एलिमेंट से ब्रह्मांड बना है उस सेम एलिमेंट से भगवान ने इंसान को बनाया है. व्हाई? बिकॉज गॉड वांटेड टू हैव मोर क्रिएशंस इन दिस वर्ल्ड. डोंट यू थिंक सो? अदरवाइज if you look around the things, he would have made us by gold. you know वो हमको सिल्वर का भी बना सकते थे, गोल्ड का भी बना सकते थे, बट क्या उसमें से क्रिएशन निकलती है? क्रिएशन तो उन 5 तत्वों में से ही निकलेगी ना. That's the reason God has made us from those 5 elements, जिससे उन्होंने यूनिवर्स बनाया, जिससे उन्होंने ब्रह्मांड पूरा बनाया. Are you getting my point? Yes. So we are the creators, but I would say we are the co-creators. We are not the creator. Okay. So like over here, my team is the co-host. Okay. My team is the host, or I am the co-host. We are doing the job together. We are doing the things together. We are doing the work together. Are you getting my point? Yes. Is it making sense? Yeah. Okay. So the next thing, for who does this law of attraction work? So it definitely works. Okay. So law of attraction works for everyone who knows its rules. Number one. Now it's and over here. So and or हमने पढ़ा है ना. And means A-N-D, and or means O-R. Yeah, in English we read this in our school, right? And matlab both are applicable or all are applicable. Or means कोई एक चीज एप्लीकेबल होगी. Over here, I'm using the word and. Okay. So LOA works for everyone who knows its rule and believe in its principles and align their thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. This is very, 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 very important. Okay. Yes. And it works really well for everyone. Trust me, it is like it takes time. I would not say it takes time, but yes, it takes some effort to get yourself in alignment. But once the things are in alignment, it goes like a zoop karke, right? Okay. Now, is there any scientific validation? Okay, because see, I'm not coming from a science background, but I have always been a very logical person. Very logical. I always wanted to have logics behind everything. You give me one logic, if it suits me, if it fits into my mind, I will work towards it. Okay, so I've been like that. Okay, but yes, there has to be some, there are scientific validations to it. Now tell me one thing, law of attraction. Is it visible? Can you guys see law of attraction? No. Can we touch law of attraction? No. So it is not, we are not talking about this physical realm. We are not talking about this physical world. It is something related to a metaphysical world. Yeah? Okay, this concept is coming from a metaphysical world. So yes, the science has to validate this. There are scientific, validation, the proofs over it. Okay. So, okay, let's discuss those foundations, okay, that's supporting. So the first one is RAS, which is reticular activating system. So over here, what happens is that this brain functions, our brain, it filters the information based on your focus, making you aware of all the opportunities which are aligned with your focus, with your goal. Now, what does that mean? Okay, let me share one my real life example. Okay, so when I became chartered accountant and I was working, I got married also at that point in time. Okay, yeah, I got married. I was working with Audi. Oh, I was not working with Audi. I was working with one of the sister concerns of PwC. Okay, and it was, I think, Feb 2012. If you remember that Hyundai launched its new car, its new model called Verna. How many of you remember that? Okay. It was my love at first sight. Had gone bonkers. I had gone crazy about that car, that I want this car. And particularly, I was very particular about that, I want it white in color. I was so crazy about that car. Yeah. Okay. I was earning good amount of money, but to be honest, all my money was like all my salary was distributed in one thing or the other. EMIs था, घर के खर्चे थे, सब कुछ distributed था उस time पे. Okay. And somewhere I was feeling that कैसे होगा, but I was like कि चलो ठीक है, chuck it. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं तो ये करके होगा. And that was the time I found a new job. I got recruited in Audi, and that was with 100% hike. Okay. So, can you beat that? My money was ready. Okay. Right. Then there was another challenge that it was, I think, waiting was around 4 or 5 months. Waiting was there. Okay. My first thought about that car when I saw it, okay, it was in February. And from February, everywhere I used to see only Varna car, only white in color. There was no other color was actually. So how many of you have actually experienced in one way or the other? आपको वही चीज दिखती है बार बार जो आप चाहते हो. Yes? Yes or no? I tell you, I bought that car in a week's time. My loan got approved in one day. Okay. I don't know how, but I got a call from Hyundai dealership that ma'am, your car is ready. But हमें भी नहीं पता वो कैसे रेडी हुई. I don't know. आप तो बहुत बड़ी वेटिंग में थे, but आपका वो भी रेडी हो गया. My down payment was like I was not able to get ready with my down payment. I got some resources from Grey Market. ओके, सो ग्रे मार्केट इज लाइक जहाँ पे आप पर्सनल फाइनेंसर से पैसा उठाते हो बहुत सारे इंटरेस्ट पे. ओके, आई गॉट द मनी बिकॉज आई वांटेड इट at that moment. Okay, everything got sorted. Everything. It was just that my brain was able to filter the information. My goal was to get that Varna. My goal was to buy that Varna car. Okay. And things started happening the way it was designed. And I attracted that car in my life. And it has not happened once in my life. Even for my BMW 5 Series, that was my blue color. Okay. I attracted that also. Right? In the same way, I attracted that also. Whatever conditions I had, it all got fulfilled, and I was able to buy my BMW. But before that, everywhere, क्या पहले सड़कों पे गाड़ियां नहीं चल रही थी? चल रही थी, बट मुझे कभी उससे पहले BMW और वरना दिखी नहीं थी. But the moment I focused, I put a goal in my mind. I only was attracting that. Okay, right? So that is the first validation. You can go back and check in your life also. There must be instances where you can also validate that yes, it has happened with you as well. Okay, right? Now, why it has happened? Because your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs were absolutely in alignment. That's where you were vibrating in that energy and you attracted that same result. Yes? Okay. Shall we move on to next? Okay. So the next is uh, neuroplasticity. Okay, it is all about repeating. Repetition. I believe that repetition is the mother of everything. The more you repeat, the more you learn, you grow, right? So repeating positive thoughts and beliefs rewires the brain, and it influences our behavior and results. So I told you in my story, in my background, that all my relatives, all my extended family, okay, majority of them, they used to say, अरे ये पास नहीं हो पाएगी, इसको तुमने गलती से सीए में डाल दिया है, ये तुम्हारी नाक कटवा देगी. Okay, that's how my relatives used to say. Now, despite of whatever they used to say, in my head, what was my story? My story was, I am a chartered accountant. I am a chartered accountant. It was not even that I will become a chartered accountant. But in my own head, it was that yes, I am already a CA. It's just that I have to give papers, I have to get, I have to just pass. उसमें pass लिखा होना चाहिए और मुझे एक certificate चाहिए. That's it. And I tell you, when I was preparing, when I was doing my articleship, I used to, sign every now and then. So if I was not working, I was not working in my office or I was not studying in my free time. If I was not doing anything in my free time, I used to sign. Sign as if what? As if I'm a chartered accountant. I've just audited somebody's balance sheet and I've just signed it. CA Neha Baveja, CA Neha Baveja, CA Neha Baveja. Few years back, okay, my mother actually threw all those registers from the home. And my mother actually did a video call and she said, अरे ये देख अब इन registers का क्या करूं? मैं कुछ मत करो, अब तो निकाल दो इनको. Right? But that's how, when we repeat those thoughts and when we repeat our own story, okay, it's not about what the world is saying, it's about what you believe. I tell you a prominent example also. How many of you know about Shah Rukh Khan? I'm sure everybody knows about him. If I talk about 20, 30 years back, when he was nobody in the industry, nobody, okay, his only thing was what he was saying in his head was, मैं इस इंडस्ट्री पे राज करूंगा. I will be the king of this Bollywood. Now people used to feel that, oh, he's very arrogant. But he was not arrogant. He was repeating his own story to himself in his own mind. And is it not happening? It has actually happened. He is the king of Bollywood. At the age of 59, he's famous in three-fourth of the world. You just go all out and just you can just talk to anybody in any country. You go to Asia, like any country in Asia, Malaysia, Thailand, anywhere. You go to Middle East, you go to US, you go to UK, everywhere people know, oh, acha, Shah Rukh Khan. So it's all about, what you are feeding in your mind. That is gonna define your result. And it's not only that, he has said in one of his interviews also, when he shooted that song Chand Tare Tod Laun, he said that I diligently wanted that song, to get shooted on me. Why? Because I could feel that was my affirmations to the entire world. Right? That is what the power of this positive thoughts, that is where the power of these beliefs comes. Yes? Okay. So the next validation, okay, that is the energy in the vibration. So quantum physics, shows, okay, everything in the universe is made of energy, resonating with Eloy's idea of vibrational alignment, right? Now, what is that? Okay. So I tell you about, again, from my life story. So when I was working with Audi, I was doing really well for myself. I was like, okay, fine. Now I want to grow more. ठीक है, जॉब का एक्सपीरियंस ले लिया. I really want to grow more. And if I really want to grow more in the corporates, maybe I will reach to the CFO level. But what next? There will always be a ceiling. Okay. So that's where I was looking out for the entrepreneurship. Okay. And I was looking out to earn in crores. I was talking to my own self that I really want to earn in crores. Why not? Even if I'm coming from a middle class background, but I think I deserve all those things, right? And that's where I started emitting that energy. And when I started emitting that energy, I attracted the opportunity at the same level. I found my entrepreneurial journey. I found an entrepreneurial opportunity which had an opportunity of actually, producing 4 to 5 crores year on year. That's how the energy, that's how the vibrations it works. Yeah, making sense? So, how many of you have understood all these things? Okay, I'm sharing my screen once again. Yes. Yes. Can you see my screen now? Okay. So how many of you understood this part? Till now, everything is clear? Shall we move ahead? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Now, how to apply LOA and manifest your desires, your life, what you truly want. Okay. It's simple. It's very simple. There's only one power in law of attraction. And that power is the power of alignment. Okay. Right? Now, alignment, you need to see that alignment is the core principle of this law. Without this alignment, nothing happens. Okay? आप लोगों में से गाड़ी कितने लोग चलाते हैं? गाड़ी चलाते हैं? कई बार आप गाड़ी चला रहे होते हो, ओके, एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन व्हाट यू फील, ओ गाड़ी ना शायद थोड़ी राइट में मुड़ रही है, ओ गाड़ी ना थोड़ी लेफ्ट में जा रही है, या क्या बोलते हैं हम उस वक्त? अरे गाड़ी का ना अलाइनमेंट हिल गया है, इसको आज मेरे को वर्कशॉप लेके जाना होगा और इसकी अलाइनमेंट ठीक करानी होगी. ट्रू? एंड दैट्स हाउ योर कार विल अगेन टेक यू फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी. या नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. If car is a machine, we are also machines. No, but we are very powerful machines. We are very powerful beings. So हमारा भी तो alignment होना जरूरी है ना? Don't you think so? Yes. So yes, we have to get aligned so that this law of attraction can also take us from point A to point B, from where we are today and where we want to be. Making sense? Yes or no? Yes, yes. Okay. So this is the core principle. Okay. Now, what about what to align? It's simple. That one formula, if you remember, which I shared in the beginning, thoughts plus emotions plus beliefs, or you can say actions. Okay. Because ultimately it has to be inspired action. Okay. Okay. So everything has to be in alignment. Yes. Yeah. Now, what? It's a simple formula I have come across. Our intention, that is our thoughts, okay? The communication, जो हम बोल रहे हैं, जो हम सोच रहे हैं और जो हम बोल रहे हैं, ओके? और जो हम कर रहे हैं, क्या वो इन अलाइनमेंट है? If it is in alignment, then it is a success. If it is not in alignment, then it is a failure. How many of you got this simple formula but yet very powerful? Type P in the chat box if you got this. Okay, amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, thank you, Sarita. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Santosh, Richa. Okay, yes, Himanshu, Raman, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, this is a very simple formula, no? Yes. Now understand, okay? So, okay, let me share another example, okay? Maybe you will relate more to it. How many of you know Virat Kohli? Okay, if you go back and listen to his interviews when he was in his low, when he was not performing well in his career, okay, in one of his interviews, he shared that I used to go and hit the gym. I used to put the music on and I used to visualize. I used to put thoughts. I used to communicate to my own self, you know. He used to share the story with himself again. Okay. And he used to believe that, yes, he is that player wherein he's gonna be the top player in the world. And that is how his comeback was possible. That is how he became again one of the top players in the whole world. Are you understanding my point? Again, it is intention plus communication plus action or belief. That's how the success started happening. Yes? Okay. So, two simple formulas. If you apply and if you apply in any aspect of your life, and if you see that whatever result you got, is it in alignment to those things or not? If you were in alignment, you would have got good results. If you were not in alignment, you would not have good results. Simple. Yeah, making sense? Okay. Now, how many of you, okay, feel these challenges? Okay, so there are two challenges I always see, like there are some internal challenges and there are some external challenges. Okay, but I tell you, external challenges can be fixed. Okay, it's not much of more importance. But if internal challenges are there, we need to fix those internal challenges first. That is really important. Okay, right? Because it's all about me, again I'm saying, okay, it's never about others, it's all about me. If I am sorted, the rest of the world will get sorted. If I am happy, then I will keep everyone happy. Yeah. Okay, so the first is challenge, what I've come across, that the doubt about effectiveness. So when I was not aware of all these things, okay, I was not aware when I did my CA, I was not aware of this law of attraction. When I attracted, Varna or my switching of jobs or my 100% hike or my business, I was not aware of this law of attraction. Okay, but one single belief in deep down, okay, I started realizing that that was the fear of success. It was never about fear of failure. It was the fear of success in my case. ओके, सो पीपल दे डाउट अबाउट इफेक्टिवनेस कि काम करता भी है या नहीं करता। देखो, काम तो करेगा, आप मानो चाहे नहीं मानो, राइट? वो एक सीरियल आता था ना, मानो या ना मानो, बट जो है वो तो है, isn't it? Then yes, people actually fear, they have fear of failure. Okay, there is low self-worth. I was somebody who became like that, that I don't deserve, I don't deserve good things. I'm not worthy of abundance in my life. I'm not worthy of good relationships in my life. Okay, there was impatience. Now impatience can never be a characteristic of any energy being. No, not at all. ये तो प्रकृति का नियम है, टू हैव पेशेंस, इजंट इट? हम आज एक बीज बोते हैं तो क्या उसमें से अगले दिन ही पौधा निकल के आ जाता है? द आंसर इज नो। प्रकृति अपना टाइम लेती है, तब जाके उसकी ग्रोथ होती है। एंड द सेम वे, people, I see a lot of people have these challenges that they become impatient, and I know it's not easy, but this is one characteristic I think everybody needs to cultivate. It took me a lot of effort to cultivate this characteristic again inside me, that is to have patience, right? Next is limiting beliefs. That yes, there are some deep down beliefs, through our childhood, through our own experiences, that we restrict ourselves. बेटा, पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं लगते हैं। तुम्हारे पापा ने जितना करना था उतना कर दिया, अब तुम जानो और तुम्हारा काम जाने। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव हर्ड दिस, ऑल दीज थिंग्स? वी ऑल, हम मिडिल क्लास वाले हैं, ये सब चीजें हमें शोभा नहीं देती। पैसा सब लड़ाइयों की जड़ होता है। ओके, इट्स द इविल, इट ब्रिंग्स इविल इन द हाउस। नो, it's a very beautiful energy. It's an amazing energy, right? And people challenge what they have, the fear of change. कुछ भी चीज चेंज करने से डर लगता है ना, isn't it? चेंज करेंगे तो कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा। Now there are certain external challenges. What is that? Oh, I don't have time. It's not about not having time. It's all about setting the priorities right. Now, God has given, 24 hours to everyone. It's a level playing field. Don't you think? Do you think that Mukesh Ambani has ever said this, oh, I don't have time? No, not at all. All these successful people, they never say that, I don't have time. They always say, okay, fine. I will manage. If it is in their priority list, they will manage somehow, isn't it? If it is in your priority list, you will manage somehow, isn't it right? Then there is no tangible results yet. So I've seen a lot of people, they work, work, work. And when they don't see the result, they just dip their energy, right? It is something like that, you have put water in the freezer. Okay, now every 5 minutes you open the freezer and you look. Every 5 minutes you go and open the freezer and you look. अरे ये आइस बनी क्या? Do you think, you know, your results will be tangible at that point in time? No. Okay, just wait, have patience. Okay, again, I'm coming back to that. Okay, no tangible results, and that's where people dip. Skepticism about this whole law. Okay, overwhelming from techniques. External influences. This is something, very close to my heart. Why? Because a lot of people in my family, in my friend circle, they used to say, Pagal ho gayi hai tu. You have gone bonkers, you have gone mad. Okay, nothing is possible. इतने बड़े बड़े सपने देखना छोड़ दे, right? But it's up to me. Okay, if it is to be, it's up to me whether I will get influence or not. You decide for yourself. Okay, misunderstanding, right? So I can understand all those challenges because I was also there at one point in time. Whatever internal challenges or external challenges I've written. Okay, I just want to do a quick recap of whatever we learned, whatever I discussed till now. So first of all, I talked about who is this webinar for. Absolutely for every human being who truly wants to overcome his or her limiting beliefs and become a powerful manifester. Okay? Who is this webinar not for? Somebody who is, not ready to do work. Okay? Few instructions I shared. Again, I'm saying you it's not only about learning, but it's about doing. It's about taking actions. Okay? Because universe also loves action takers. Universe loves speed in whatever you do. Okay? Then we did breath work. We understood that why this is so important, okay? Not just to have the clarity on the concept, but how to apply it. That is also important. And that practical implication will only happen, okay, once we understand it in the simpler form. If it is in the form of formula, it is simpler to implement it, isn't it? Right? I talked about my mission statement that yes, we have a mission to help 1 million working professionals in next 5 years. Okay, I've set this intention, we have set this intention, and we have left it to the God. But whatever efforts, the beliefs, the actions, it's absolutely going in this direction. Okay. Then we discussed about what is law of attraction, for whom does it work, scientific validations, and how to apply it. Yes. Okay, so are we done with this recap? Okay, so what's your experience? I want you guys to type one word for this. Just one word. Whatever is your experience. Okay, so Rohit said awesome. Megha said positive. Okay, come on, come on. Okay, Richa said positive. Okay, Thomas, interesting. Okay, just one word, I would say. Deepak said positive and great. Disha, positive. Nice, it's positive. Priyanka said it's positive. Sushli, oh, that's a good name. I have heard it for the first time. Hopeful. Jaya Chandra, he said unbelievable. Augustine, he said positive. Amazing. Yes. Okay. Clarity. Prasad said clarity. Rupesh said amazing. Deepak Sharma, it's worthy. Positive and inner and interesting. Okay. Let's go back. Santosh said excited. Excellent, Raman. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Now, I want you all to answer these questions, okay, to your own self. Imagine waking up every morning, okay, really excited because everything you have dreamed of is coming true. How would that feel? How would that really feel? Okay. What it what would it mean for you and your loved ones if you could create abundance effortlessly? Like whatever you thought of, you're able to do it for your family, for yourself, isn't it? Right? How many of you have tried law of attraction earlier but felt like it didn't work for me? It didn't work for you. It was, I was stuck over here for a very long time, for almost a year. Okay. What's the biggest challenge? What is holding you back from achieving your goals? What is that biggest challenge? Just think about it. If one thing is working for someone in the world, why it will not work for you? Why? There is something what is holding you back, isn't it? What if I tell you that you shall be able to manifest your goals consistently? Yes, I'm telling you the truth. You will be able to manifest your goals consistently. Okay. What if you break free the pattern for your negative thoughts or your self doubts? Yeah. You get more clarity on your desires. You overcome your limiting beliefs around abundance and success. There's no fear left for failure or for judgment or even for success, also. Okay. What if I tell you all these simple processes doesn't require much of your time? What if? There's a complete mindset shift from scarcity to abundance. Yeah. If I give you a simple, step-by-step roadmap to manifest your dreams, would you be willing to follow it? Would you be? Yeah. Okay. Yes. So here I introduce you, okay, with my 5 days live course. I'm talking about live means we are going to do it together. So the course name is Align Yourself to Manifest Your Desired Life. Okay. So what we are gonna, so are you all excited for this course? Type in the chat box if you are. Type yes in the chat box. Okay, 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 okay. I can see a lot of yeses in the chat box. Thank you. Sounds great. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So now coming back to this. Hmm. Okay. So what we are gonna have in the course, but let's understand the objective of this. Okay. So we are going to design a vision board. Okay. Now, many of you would have designed vision board so many times. Okay. I have also designed the vision board by myself. Okay. But trust me on this. In my earlier vision boards, what I learned how to make my vision boards, I couldn't see much of the results. But somewhere with my own experience, with my own, learnings, I understood that there has to be some a better way of making the vision boards. Okay, so you must have heard that, okay, fine, आप pictures काट लो और pictures को चिपका दो, that's how your vision board is there. Okay, but there's something what I've come up with: design a vision board using the continuum method along with the Dunja technique. It's a superb technique, okay, wherein we are gonna learn the directions, okay. In what directions? Okay, so I will not say it because I say I have a habit of saying everything in one go, okay. So there's something which is very exciting with these two techniques. Yes. So this is something what you can you can just say that, जिससे बोलते हैं ना, निचोड़ है 3-4 साल की लर्निंग का, 3-4 साल के एक्सपीरियंस का निचोड़ एक्चुअली. Okay. Then what is the objective of this course? uh huh. So for every, you know, if we have to learn the rules, okay, if we have to learn, if we have to be in alignment with the universe, there is a universal language. And for any language, to learn any language, there are certain rules attached to it. So that's what we are going to master the universal language by knowing what are those rules. Yes, is it making sense? Okay. The third, we are going to unlock the financial abundance with proven techniques, right? So, whatever techniques I followed in my life to achieve success, to achieve abundance, okay, that's what I'm going to share in my course. Okay, so all of these are tried, tested by my own self with my own experience, and it is not only me, but they were like out like hundreds of people who have been benefited out of those techniques, my learnings actually, right? So we're going to foster a mindset of possibility and abundance. And lastly, visualize success for rapid results. Okay, so it's the same way. So people, I had a lot of issues in visualizing the things earlier. Okay. But once I understood, this formula, everything was so crystal clear for me. Okay. And this is the same thing what I spoke about Virat Kohli. Okay. उन्होंने एक बॉल पे जैसे वो स्विंग लेके जाएंगे, अपने बैट का जैसे स्विंग करेंगे वो वैसे, एंड दैट्स द रीजन it was so easy for him to play that kind of particular ball in the ground with so much of ease that nobody else can play it, but he plays it, right? This is what he shared in his one of his interviews. Yes, so that's the power of that visualization. Okay, so we are gonna have that, you're gonna learn that visualization. Okay, so now what will you learn? So day one, you're gonna learn about the universal language. Okay, the day two, we are gonna learn the money manifestation, the techniques to manifest money, the more abundance in our life. Okay. Day three is the vision board with continuum method along with the Dunja technique. Day four, okay, this is something very close to my heart because this one method has actually allowed me to manifest a lot of things in my life, has actually allowed me to attract a lot of things, okay, in my life. I think 90% of my goals got attracted with this one method that is called DVR method. Okay, so I'm not going to reveal the full form of this, but yes, this is called DVR method, and this is a very, very, very powerful method. Okay, day four, again, I'm going to tell you about the powerful visualization method. How is it possible to build a parallel universe? How is it possible to build the parallel world and you can attract that world into this physical world? That is really, really, really powerful. Yeah. So, how many of you feel excited? Okay. Yes. Okay. Excited. Now, the benefits is simple. Okay. What you're gonna gain? You're gonna gain the solid grasping of that universal language, because once you have, आपकी अगर एक बार पकड़ हो जाती है किसी चीज में, then it is like you can grow and grow in your life, isn't it? It will never be, it is just like you're climbing a mountain, राइट? आपकी जैसे जैसे पकड़ पड़ती जाती है, आप वैसे वैसे कॉन्फिडेंट होते जाते हो और आप वैसे वैसे ऊपर चढ़ते जाते हो, isn't it like that? And at one point in time you reach to the top. It's the same way. Okay. The second is that you're gonna manifest abundance with proven techniques. Okay. The third one, achieve clarity and focus on your goals. That is, goals is nothing but to set the intentions right. We have to put the right intentions. We have to be very clear about our own intentions. If you are not clear about our own intentions, कभी emotion सही नहीं जाएगा और ना ही कभी belief सही होगा. And that's where the outcome will also not be there. Okay, that one simple formula, I'm telling you again, it will sort a lot of things. If you go more deeper, everything can be connected to this one simple formula. Okay. Enhanced mindfulness and emotional alignment. And at the end, let's transform your life holistically. That's what is you're going to benefit out of this course. Okay, now what does this whole core package, of this course consist of? So there is going to be 5 days live coaching to jumpstart worth 25,000 rupees. So I've just put the value, but trust me, it is all priceless, because whatever I had paid to learn everything, it's like huge. Okay, it's like huge. Then the two processes, what we are gonna learn each day and what we are gonna, apply in our life, in your life, in the simplest way, that is worth 10,000 rupees. Again, I'm sharing, this is just a value I've put it across. Okay. Then again, it is going to be 30 days challenge schedule, because once the course is over, so whatever I have experienced, that whatever courses I used to enroll, once that course is over, there is no hand holding, there is no challenge, there is no follow through. And that's where I feel that a lot of people, they fizzle out. Maybe somebody who has, like, decided, that is something very, but I also had, I had realized from my own life that yes, this 30 days hand holding is very, very, very important, because we need to set, we need to set the rules, we need to set whatever we learn. Okay, right? It is going to be lifetime community support. So it's not only, so it is going to be the 30 days challenge, but it is going to be the lifetime community support. So whatever challenges you face, or whatever um, good things you attract, you share, and there will be more power, there will be more love, there will be more abundance to you, isn't it? And to the entire community. And it is priceless. Okay, so if I total this, okay, the total core package value is 50,000 rupees. Okay. Yes, that is, but I'm telling you, that is worth way beyond that. But do you want a special discount? Yeah? Do you really want a special discount? Okay, I can see smile on people's face. Okay. Right. But before that, I will reveal some premium bonuses. Okay. So apart from that gifts, if you remember in the beginning what I shared, that is for everyone who actually attended the webinar and being there in the end, because I'm gonna reveal that how you can take these gifts back. But for this course particularly, I have come up with again premium bonuses. Because again, I realized from my own experience that yes, these bonuses will make a lot of sense along with this course. And what is that? It is gonna be, how many of you really, go through this laziness, procrastination or inaction? बहुत सारे thoughts हैं, बहुत सारे ideas हैं, but somehow you're not able to apply it in your life. Do you really want to, actually get rid of all these things? What if I say you that I'm gonna give you those affirmations, what has really worked for me, for myself? Okay, procrastination, laziness, okay, that has really worked for myself, so I decided to actually give it away. Okay, I decided that I really want to share it with people. Okay, that's where it is worth 5,000. Again, I'm saying I've just put the value. All these things are priceless. Okay, all these things are truly priceless, right? The second premium bonus I would like to give you is the 7 minutes gratitude audio. Now, trust me, guys, gratitude everywhere you would have heard, Shukrana karo, gratitude do. It's very easy to say, but when it comes to application of it, again it becomes very difficult. Again, it becomes very difficult to even, you just write 10 things, or not even 10 things, you just write 3 things in continuation for next 30 days, you will not be able to write. How many of you actually understood what I said? It is not easy. But again, there had been times, there had been days, I used to list down 100, more than 100 things in one single day as my gratitude practice. Every day I used to, just if I'm not working, I used to start open I used to open my phone, I used to open my notes, and I used to start writing gratitude, even for the air, even for the water, even for the internet, even for my laptop. I'm so grateful that because of this we are connected. Just see the power of one internet, one laptop. We are connected worldwide, isn't it? That's where I have made again a very powerful 7 minutes gratitude or audio. And again, I'm saying it is worth 5,000. I just put the value. Okay, so the total of premium bonuses is 10,000 rupees. Okay, now if I talk about the total package, the core package is 50,000 rupees worth, and the premium bonus is 10,000 rupees. Okay, and the total package comes down to 60,000 rupees. How many of you feel that, oh my God, this is too much? Yes, absolutely. I had also felt the same way. It was too much what I paid for. Okay, I paid even more than this. Okay, but at the same time, what if I tell you, okay, that there is no risk involved in this course, which is what, even if you attend, you go for this course, you attend this course 3 days, if you feel like that, okay, fine, I don't feel any value to it, I don't feel that, okay, no, my life is not going to change, or my life is not changing, or I am not changing, I give you 3 days money back guarantee and no questions asked. And you know why I'm saying you this so confidently? Because I am very confident about my course, because this is all is coming from my personal experience. This is all is coming from my own learnings. Okay, this is all is coming from where I have implemented in my life, and I have helped hundreds of people to implement in their life also. Right? And that's the reason. But still, I'm saying you, I have no issues in this. Okay, 3 days money back guarantee. Okay, with no questions asked. Okay, but there's one news. Okay, so I have decided to pick only 20 people. Okay, only 20 seats are available. Right, that is the only challenge. Okay, but I would not say challenge, but it is something that maybe universe has given me the download. right? That go for just 20. Okay, so that's where I thought, okay, fine, let me just put it across that I want to work personally with 20 people. Okay. Now, if I go back, the total cost for the package, the course is 60,000 rupees. Do you really want the discount? Do you really want to align yourself? Do you really want to manifest the life you truly want? Okay. So for you guys, I have actually made up the best of the offer. Okay. And what is that? So the core package is 50,000. The premium bonuses is 10,000 rupees. The total comes out to 60,000. Now, I'm not gonna charge so much because I told you in my mission statement that we have taken this mission, to help 1 lakh working professionals in next 5 years. At times, it's not about the money. It's about, whatever we have got, whatever we have, we really want to share. Whatever from whatever we have got benefited, why not to share with people? Why not? Right? So we're not gonna charge you 60,000 rupees. Okay. There's something very, very, very special. Okay. And that the cost is, so shall I reveal? Yeah. Okay. That the cost is just 5,000 rupees. Okay. More than 90% of the discount I'm talking about. Yes. Okay. Do you feel excited? Okay. But at the same time, I will surprise you with one more thing. Okay, so my team told me that why not? Okay, so I told you that universe loves action takers. So people who take actions, they see the results faster. They see the success faster, isn't it? So that's where my team has decided, me and my team has decided, why not for the first 15 minutes only. Okay, why not to reduce the price just to rupees 3200 rupees? Why not? Isn't it? Because if somebody who really willing to work on himself or herself, somebody who truly wants, to align themselves, why not to help them actually? Right? So that's where we have come up with this. Okay, I'm manifesting. Sultana, yes, you manifested it actually, right? So, okay. So for the first 15 minutes, only the price is reduced to 3,200 rupees. Okay. So how many of you? So my team would be sharing, payment link, the QR code, okay, in the chat box. So whosoever wants to join the course can join the course. It's gonna be 5 days live course, okay. And I tell you this, that the course is gonna start from next Sunday, which is 15th of December. Okay, and we're gonna have 1 hour class, or it might extend to 1.5 hours, but it is gonna be in the night. Once you are done with your family time, once you are done with your dinner and all, it will start exactly at 9 p.m. India time. Okay, so from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, these 5 days the class is gonna be on. Okay, and we are gonna start the class on 15th of December. Yes, yeah, on 15th of December we are gonna start. Okay, until Thursday, which is 19th of December. Okay, we are gonna have this live class. You're gonna learn everything. You're gonna implement everything in the class along with me, so that it becomes much easier for you. Okay. Okay, so the team has shared the link. Can you please share the QR code? Is it possible? I don't know. It is there. Let me just see my QR code. Mm, yeah. So you can actually make the payment either through your credit card or through your debit card, or you can use the UPI as well. Okay. Let me share it back. Yes. Okay. So before I share the QR code, okay, how to avail these free gifts? Let me share that. Okay. So whosoever has stayed back and it's there till, please share to my team. Okay. You can select from the chat box team INM. Okay. And you can share your mobile numbers and your email IDs to avail these gifts. Yeah, it's a simple instruction. Please share your phone numbers and your email IDs to avail these gifts, because these gifts can truly change your life in one way or the other. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to share this. So this is the QR code and this is the payment link. So whosoever wants to start, they can start making the payment. It's very simple. You just need to copy this link and you need to go into, into the Safari mode. Okay, let me just show if somebody, okay, let me just show this. How? So you need to copy this link, which is there. Um, you can do this. So what you can do is, hmm, it's okay. No, I am not a tech savvy person, so you guys have to bear with me. Okay, you just need to go on your Chrome, Google Chrome, just type over here. This will be this screen will be open. Okay, you just pay 3,200. You need to add your contact details, continue. The screen would be open, which is this. So I will just put the number. Okay, continue. So this screen will come up. So you can use UPI, you can use the cards, you can use net banking, you can use your wallet, whatever you want to use, you can use that. And when once you pay this, there will be a payment successful screen which will come to your on your screen. You can just take the screenshot and you can share on the given number which is here on the slide. So you can have this number noted. Okay, you can actually note this number. Team, you can put it across if that is there. You can please put the number. Okay. Okay. Right? So it's just 15 minutes. We don't have much time. Okay. So maybe, somebody would say that I don't have, this much, I can't spend this much of money. 3,200 rupees is something I just can't. Okay. But just think about this. Okay. When you go out for a movie or when you go out for a dinner, okay, with your friends, with your family, don't you think that you spend even more than this? Okay. I absolutely agree that this is 100% you get rejuvenated with this. But by spending with your loved ones, the time with your loved ones you spend, okay, but just ask yourself one thing. Does it truly help you to become a powerful manifester? Would it really help you to become a better version of yourself? Would it really help you to manifest your successful or abundant life? It's just, it's about 3,200 rupees. That's it. Okay. But just think about it, what all you're going to learn about. Okay. That is what is really important. The next, I've always heard of this thing also that, oh, I don't have time. I have, I really don't have time. And I completely understand. And it is totally relatable. Trust me on this. Nobody has time. It's all about setting your priorities right. It's all about that you need to ask yourself that is it truly important for you to become better and better? Is it truly important for you to achieve your abundant life, for you to achieve your successful life? It's not about that. not to have time. It is about to setting your priorities right. And you know what? You know, I have learned this technique. I've learned this formula in terms of money. And what is that concept? Is the concept is of investing and spending. Okay, so I would like to I would like to appreciate one person. Sultana has done the payment. So congratulations, Sultana. Welcome on board. I would say that yes, that the next step is waiting for you. Welcome on board. Okay. So what I learned about this investing and spending, जब भी हम पैसा spend करते हैं, we get the value. Okay, we absolutely get the value. But at the same time हमें return में कुछ नहीं मिलता है उसके बाद. मतलब in the sense it doesn't grow actually. But in investing, the money grows. Okay, we get it in multifolds. So this simple concept is applicable everywhere. It is applicable in terms of your time as well. If you spend your time somewhere, will it come back in multifolds? No, absolutely not. Right? But if you invest your time in your own self, in your dreams, in your desires, in your the life you truly want to attract, it will definitely come back to you, isn't it? Then people say that I have tried many things before but nothing worked for me. Now in the continuation of the same concept what I was explaining you, that is investing or spending, have you ever heard of try and till you succeed actually? I can completely feel you guys, okay? If you think about this, okay? But I tell you something, okay? If there is a strong determination, if there is a strong, will to grow, if there is a strong, um, you have made up your mind that no, I really want to grow in my life. Trust me, okay? Whatever simple processes I learned, I implemented the same. I'm going to teach you in the more simpler way so that you can practice it on daily basis and it shall give you the results. Yes. Okay. Then I heard of this one more thing, okay? That oh, I'm not sure whether I will be consistent in doing. Okay. You know what? When I started my formal journey for law of attraction, I had the similar fear, absolutely the similar fear, but just one decision, of one step at a time. The only problem what I realized was that people they start that हम ये भी कर ले, ये भी कर ले, ये भी कर ले, ये भी कर ले, 10 चीजें वो इकट्ठी करने के लिए सोचते हैं, but at the same time you end up doing nothing. It's all about taking one step at a time. Okay, and everything can be resolved, and that's where what I mastery in my for my life, okay, that's what I've put it in my course, and it is gonna be one of the simplest processes what you're gonna learn and what you're gonna implement on the daily basis, and it will definitely keep you more motivated and the community, which in any case it's gonna help you a lot. Okay, then okay, so what else could be the objection? So then the people would think, oh, I don't believe in this law again. Okay, वैसे I've given you all the scientific validations. Okay, but right now if you don't believe, okay, in this, so if you're here in this webinar, trust me, it's not a coincidence. It's a master plan. Universe has put you over here. Okay, it's just that you have to take the first step and the whole path opens up along. Isn't it like that कि अगर आप दिल्ली से शिमला जाने का सोच रहे हो, okay, you take your car out. Is it like that आपने जैसी गाड़ी बाहर निकाली उसके इमिडिएटली बाद ही आप घर से मतलब जैसी घर से बाहर निकले आप शिमला पहुंच जाओगे? No, it takes time, but at the same time what was more important that you took that first step. आप गाड़ी में बैठे, आपने गाड़ी स्टार्ट करी और आप अपनी अपनी प्लेस से चल पड़े. Isn't it? So when you start the journey, you will definitely reach to your destination. Isn't it like that? Okay. Then what else I have heard of? Okay, I'm just recalling what else, or what I have gone through when I was about to start this formal journey. What if I fail, at this too? Because I had already failed, in my life. I thought in relationships, in money, in my career, I had failed big time, even in my health also. Okay. But I completely understand the fear. Okay. And I would just say that failure is just a step towards the success. It is never so. Success and failure are no different things. Failure is a part of that journey of success, isn't it? You must have heard Amitabh Bachchan saying so many times that he has failed so many times, and that's the reason where he is today. That's absolutely the reason. It's not about what successful shots he has given, it's about what unsuccessful or failed shots he has given, the failed attempts he has given. Am I making sense to you all? Yeah. Okay. So don't worry on that part. Everything moves actually beyond the self doubt. If you don't believe in yourself, just borrow the belief. If you have one person, who starts believing in you, don't leave that person's hand. Yeah. Okay. Mm, then I've heard this also, people saying that, oh, I can find there is so much of information online available. Why should I go for this course? Okay. Yes, of course, you're absolutely right. But from where to start and from where to learn the step by step, processes? It's like the whole basket of information. There's too much. This internet is loaded with information. But is it the simple step by step processes? The answer is no again. Okay, somebody who is really serious about his or her goals, about manifesting, their goals, their dreams. Okay, you're not you're not gonna have, okay, without a proper guidance, and that's the fact. Okay, now again, the last I would say, what if I don't get results? How is it possible? Just think about it. Results comes from the consistent efforts, and I know how to overcome your own feelings of not doing the things, of pushing yourself, because I have myself worked on, on this shift. Okay, I also used to push myself. It was so hard. But trust me on this, by applying all those processes, in your own life, you will be able to cross all those challenges. Okay. I think more or less I have. Okay, some people asking for international link, contact my team, say like this. Okay, yes, some. Okay, so is it like that? Okay. So then it is, I have designed this course in a very easy processes, in a very easy steps, I would say, that you should love this. So no chance you will feel that, oh, this is gonna be so complicated. हम कैसे करेंगे? How we are gonna do everything? It's not possible. Okay, इतना आसान, I don't think so. When I learned, it was not that easy. Trust me, nobody taught me all these formulas. It was something what I learned by myself. Okay, but what I extracted from whatever, resources I got, from whatever courses I learned. Okay, I actually got from there. Okay, so how many of you are truly excited to take that one single step, okay, towards the successful life, towards the abundant life, towards your, your desires, where you can truly you can manifest your desires? How many of you are really excited and you truly commit yourself, okay, that yes, I want to? Okay, so there are certain people who are asking for international link. Please, I would say that you can contact team INM, okay, and you can ask from them the international links. You can actually go for it. Okay, so I think I am up with this 15 minutes time. Is there anyone? Okay, so shall we wrap it up? One second. Do you have any questions? If anyone has any question, let me know. You can simply unmute yourself. Yeah? Is there any question you guys have? No? Okay. So that 15 minutes is over. Now the normal pricing is gonna be 5,000 rupees. But at the same time, somebody who is on the verge of taking the decision, okay, let me share something with you guys. I have something very, very, very interesting which is coming up, okay, because this is again, I got the download from the universe itself. Okay, that why not? So while I was meditating, okay, so this was not earlier, okay, and while I was meditating, I actually got this thought that why not to go for this as well? Okay, why not to help somebody who is absolutely on the verge of taking the decision? So those 15 minutes are over, to be honest, okay, but yes, there is something what we have come up again with a very special prize of just, so universe believes in second chance, okay. So for another 15 minutes only, the price is gonna be 4,100 rupees. Okay, so this is gonna be just 4,100 rupees. Again, it is gonna be a discount of 900 rupees. So I have shared the QR code and the payment link, okay, on my screen. And once you are done, you can actually share the payment screenshot to this number, which is 7036376055. I repeat this number, that's 7036376055. You can actually share your payment receipts on this mobile number. Okay, so somebody who is still on the verge of taking that decision, somebody who has decided that yes, I want to go ahead with this journey, why not? So you can actually make the payment. You can use the Razorpay link, or you can directly UPI. You can directly scan the code from your mobile and you can pay it through the UPI link. Okay, right? So this is another for just 15 minutes. That's it. Okay, then the normal price is gonna be 5,000 rupees. After that, that is not gonna be there. Okay, so shall we? Okay, so Rahul Gupta said, great webinar. Thank you so much. Anybody who wants to do the payment can do the payment with this. Okay, I will share once again with you guys this payment, payment link, and the QR code is also available. So there are like Google Pay and this is your Razorpay UPI pin. You can actually use any of these. Okay, so is there anyone who wants to share the experience, who really wants to share that yes, whatever you learned in this webinar, maybe 1 minute sharing or 2 minute sharing? Is there anyone who wants to share what you got? Did you get any good thing, anything what you found that okay, fine, this was something I learned very profound? What was it, if I may ask anyone? So nobody wants to share, or nobody learned it, rather I would say. Okay, so you can raise your hand. You can raise your hand. Yeah, I tell you, whether you will be now with me for next step or not, our community is there. You will get to know more. You will get to know everything from there. Like my my daily updates would be there. Okay, so Navtej is saying positivity. So do you want to share, Navtej? You can actually, your camera, you're not visible on the camera. Maybe you can just unmute yourself and you can share your, experience over here if you're comfortable in that. Is it? Okay. I think Navtej is not, may not be, he may not be in that situation where he can share. Okay. Anybody else who wants to share? Or any other questions you have? If you have, let me know so that I can help you more. Okay, all crystal clear. Okay, Sultana says I could relate with the middle class mindset, need to change that. Okay, thank you so much, Sultana. That was so relatable to you. Okay, and that's what helped you actually, to take that decision. So I would say that welcome on board. It is gonna be an amazing 5 days journey, okay, together. And it is gonna be one of the bestest, I would say one of the bestest decision of yours. Yeah. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Anybody else who wants to share? Any other question? Any other thing? No? Okay. So I feel that everybody, okay. Thank you so much, Praveen Latwal. Great to see you, Neha. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think everybody of you are there in that group of free webinars. If someone is not there, please type in the chat box if you're not there. You will be added in the community. You might have got the message. You might have got. I would just say that, you know, that join that free webinar group. Why I'm saying you, because we will have the payment link over there, as in, it will be the regular price what is gonna be there. Okay. So shall we so everybody is there in the community, everybody is there in the free webinar group. Is there anybody who is not there? Okay, so I'm assuming that everybody is there. Okay, Sushli is saying that formula is very useful. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sushli. So I am hearing this name for the first time. What does it mean? Can you unmute yourself, Sushli?
I need to make some meaning out of it.
Okay.
Actually, it's a blend of my father's and mother's name.
Oh, that's nice. So it's
Suresh, Lojana, like that. So my brother's names are also like that. Sulish, Sushil. And
oh,
on his names, syllables are interchanged.
okay. So the
Yeah.
meaning is the blend. You're the blend of your parents. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Amazing. So anything you want to share over here?
I would like to make use of this in future. In action only it will come out. So I'm
Yeah.
waiting.
Okay. That one thing what it was very powerful for you and you are taking it back home. What is that?
We have to replace that formula with our actions.
Okay. Okay. I'm telling you, whatever you learn, if you turn it into a formula, it becomes very easy to implement. Right. So that was something my greatest learning, of all my life. I have learned this, that whatever I learn, I just put it in a formula so that it becomes very easy for me to implement the things. And that one tip, have always inspired me to grow more in my life. Okay. So I would just say that if that formula thing you have understood, I would say that apply it everywhere. Okay. Right? Just think about it. If this one formula can make such a big shift in you, what my course is gonna do. Okay. Just think about it. Okay. Whatever takeaway you have got from this webinar, okay, if that one powerful thing, you have got from my webinar, what you're gonna get from my own course, just think about it. What you're gonna, because it is gonna be a lifetime community support. It's not only just 5 days, okay, it's gonna be a lifetime community support. I'm gonna be there with you. I'm gonna be there along with you in your journey. Okay. Because why I'm so sure about it, because I myself have walked the path. If I would not have walked the path, I would have never been able to share all these things, isn't it? So it is all, पूरा निचोड़ है मेरे लर्निंग्स का, मेरे एक्सपीरियंस का। ओके, वॉट एवर गोल्स आई हैड achieve, whatever dreams I have manifested in my life, it is all coming from there. Okay, right? So for the one last time, I would share the screen. So the screen I'm gonna share is the payment link. It is simple that this is gonna be a 5 days live course. Okay, there are certain things what I've explained you earlier. The original price, the course is actually valued at 60,000 rupees, but the original price I'm giving it away at more than 90% discount, which is just 5,000 rupees. But for action takers, okay, for giving you the second chance, I am giving this course at a discount of 900 rupees, which is 4,100 rupees. Okay. And these are the payment links. If anybody wants to make the payment, can make the payment, and quickly please share your payment screenshots with on this number along with my team, which is 7036376055. Okay, just make the payment, over here and share your screenshot. Yeah. So you're just one step ahead. You're just one step, more to take for your life, actually, towards your life, what you're gonna manifest. Yes. Yes. Okay, it's about, I would just say that it's about taking that leap of faith, taking that faith, that step in that one faith. Because again, I would say that whatever, we do, we don't see the path, we don't see the whole path at times. Okay, and it's okay not to see the whole path, but it's always safe, when we go along with somebody, we always feel safe. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, अगर आप दो रास्ते हैं आपके पास, ओके, एक रास्ते पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं और एक रास्ता एकदम सुनसान है, आप किस रास्ते पे सेफ समझोगे अपने आप को? जो रास्ता जिस पे बहुत लोग हैं, या फिर इवन एक दो लोग भी हैं, या फिर जो एकदम सुनसान है? रास्ता नंबर एक या रास्ता नंबर दो, किस पे आप अपने आप को सेफ समझोगे? ओके, you can comment in the chat box. ओके, इज इट रास्ता नंबर एक और इज इट रास्ता नंबर दो, सबके साथ या फिर अकेले? Isn't it? That's where we feel safe. When somebody is there along with us through this journey, we feel safe, isn't it? So I can only say that take that leap of faith, okay, and make things happen for yourself. Make your manifestation journey really, I would say, not easy, but yeah, it's gonna be very simple. Okay, it's gonna be very, very, very simple after this 5 days live class. Yeah, making sense? Okay, so another 2 minutes, and then I think another 15 minutes is gonna be wrapping up. Okay, so now you can see the screen. This is the last call, okay, for this 4,100 rupees, which is another 900 rupees discount, right? So whosoever wants to make the payment can make the payment, but please do share the screenshot, the payment screenshot on this. Okay, and then once we are done with this webinar, we are going to close this webinar in next 1 minute. Okay, we are going to share this payment link in the webinar group, in the free webinar group. If somebody is not in the community, and if somebody who has not joined the free webinar group, I request you all to join the community and join the free webinar group, so that you get the payment link over there. Okay, but the pricing is gonna be 5,000 rupees. Yeah. Okay, so are we all game for this? Are we all done with this? Yes, come on. Okay, so I would say thank you so much, guys, for actually sparing your time, for coming into this webinar and learning from me. I would say that yes, the journey has started from here with us. Okay, so all the best. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Yes.